In this video, we are going to talk about 5 of the best side hustles to make extra cash. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. You've arrived at the ideal location if your objective is to earn some extra money. With this list of simple money-making opportunities, we've got you covered whether you want to earn additional money at home, online, or outside the home. They range from part-time work to passive income, but the majority are side jobs you might acquire without endangering your day job in your free time. Here is the list of 5 of the best side hustles to make extra cash. Let's start. Number 1. Stop overpaying when you shop online. Online shopping has its benefits. Finding the greatest prices can take some time, despite how handy it is. Try Capital One Shopping as an alternative to searching for promo codes, which don't always work, and opening numerous browser tabs to compare costs. Saving money is simple with Capital One Shopping. When you check out, simply add the browser extension, and it will search the internet for discount codes to save you money. Additionally, Capital One Shopping will let you know with a helpful pop-up before you check out at 25+ major shops if the item you're purchasing is less expensive elsewhere. You can use Capital One Shopping for free without seeing advertisements. Add it now and quit paying too much. Number 2. Cancel your car insurance. I have horrible news. You might be squandering $500 a year on costly, subpar auto insurance. Additionally, you should definitely immediately cancel your current insurance because there is a far better option. With only a few clicks, this new tool from Finance Buzz can tell you if you're paying too much for your auto insurance. We pair drivers with businesses that claim to help them save up to $500 or more annually when they do so. Depending on your driving record and the number of discounts you qualify for, each driver will save differently. And once you utilize it, you won't need to hunt for affordable insurance coverage ever again, since Finance Buzz will find you the best deals that other providers just cannot match. Oh, and it's free as well. Furthermore, you cannot claim that you do not want to save up to $500. Simply input your zip code here, respond to a few questions, and check to see if you're paying too much to find out whether you're losing up to $500 or more a year. Number 3. Ask this company to pay off your credit card debt. Getting out of debt can feel difficult, and nearly impossible, if you have a lot of it. The issue is that the more you wait to address it, the more difficult it is to resolve. If you don't take care of it right now, it could cause you needless worry for years to come. But what if there was a permanent solution to getting out of debt? National Debt Relief might be useful. If you owe more than $10,000 in credit card, medical, collection, or personal loan debt, the representatives of these type of companies might be able to help you combine your debt into a single, manageable monthly payment. The very best? You might be debt-free in 24 to 48 months, and there are no costs until your balances are paid off. Simply respond to a few straightforward questions to begin. To find out if you qualify, it only takes 30 seconds. Number 4. Start a podcast or blog. If you have a passion for a topic, hobby, or niche, what better way to share your knowledge than by becoming a blogger or starting a podcast? Learning how to start a successful blog is as simple as picking a name and hosting service and starting to write. As your reach and audience grow, you can monetize your blog with Google Ads, affiliate marketing, or even teaching an online course. You can also use a podcast to drive more traffic to your blog and any products you are selling. If you grow your audience large enough, you can also take on sponsors who will pay you to promote their goods or services over one or more podcast episodes. Number 5. Sell stuff you don't need anymore. Think all of those unused items in your home that are just junk? Why not look at them as potential piles of cash instead? While you may be tempted to dump everything off at a thrift store or through a low-dollar garage sale, selling your items online can be far more lucrative. Furniture, exercise equipment, and even vehicles can be sold locally for good money through Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace. And if you're willing to take the time and do some research, you may be able to sell some inherited items to collectors who will appreciate and pay for them on eBay. So this is our today's video. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel or hit the bell icon. We will meet again with another interesting topic. Till then, stay safe and stay happy. Don't forget to check our important links in the description below.